Hello, welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also notification so that you can get every video that I post. Now without any much further ado, let's get to the video. Now in this video I'll be showing you some command lines that are fun to interact with on Kali Linux. So I will show you the first command line, that is the matrix. The cmatrix. The cmatrix is a command line utility that generates the classic matrix animation for popular movie maybe. So you expect to see some great animation in different colors that you can also customize, but in this video I'll just show the animation in one color and we'll show in different colors. Okay, so to install the cmatrix you have to write. I'm using this window on this side. You have to type sudo apt install cmatrix and you hit enter. You provide your password. What invalid operation? Did I do anything? Cmatrix. Still I have, yeah, the misspell. I did not include s in there, so I'm just going to reduce the and clear. So sudo apt install cmatrix. Then we wait for the packages to download. So the process is done. So we come to this terminal. We just key in the word cmatrix. See the second terminal, we just key in cmatrix. And let's see what happens next. And you hit enter. So you see the program starts to run. So I just expand this one so that you can see it on yourself. And that is one command trick you can do on a Linux. Have fun with Linux, Kali Linux, and interact with it. So thank you for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, also notification, and support us. Let's grow together. Thank you.